Hey guys, welcome to this course. I really hope that you learn and enjoy a lot with it. Thank you very much for joining me. Lettering and graphic design are quite old fields. From time immemorial, we find them in books, cinema, everywhere in the cities. Such is the relationship between letterings and the cities that we could even say that each city has its own typographic personality, reflected on the street's name, the underground, and the signage. The Book of Kells, said to be created in a Colombian monastery in Ireland in 1800 AD, contains some of the most precious lettering references. The cinema industry also plays an important role when it comes to lettering, both in billboards and credits. The profession of the sign painters, who are people who paint sign on our billboards, it's quite an old job. In 2013, the film Sign Painters by Faith Levine and Sam Macon was released. It's actually a documentary featuring testimony from veterans and new artists of this little-known job. I recommend you watch it.
Don't you think a sign is something that every person somewhere along the line has tried? That we're the ones that just kind of kept on going.
I got enough of an ego that tells me that I can do anything I want to do.
I liked working with a brush. Even the way that I describe it.
Lettering has taken the world by storm. There's a new interest in calligraphy and both hand lettering and digital trends. No matter where you look for, you can find numerous references and sources of inspiration everywhere. Okay, what we are going to do in this course is take a Christmas message and turn it into a Christmas card. Throughout the different lessons, we learn about the different lettering and how to make them. In the next lesson, we'll be exploring the differences between lettering, typography, and calligraphy.